Hey guys, today I have the Xiaomi 12 Pro co-engineered with Leica Xiaomi 12, the 13 Pro for you, and this time they also work with Leica and they bring the co-engineered edition 13 Pro. And today I'm going to unbox it and we will have a very quick talk on the specifications and also review see what's inside these books and check the latest flagship model. And this time we have the Xiaomi 12 Pro ceramic black edition, and its RAM is 12GB RAM and it's the 512GB ROM. And this time they provide three colors: ceramic black and ceramic white and white green. And this time we just got the normal black edition. And also in front of the books we can find that it have a pushed IP68 ratings, and also it's used the Snapdragon 8 processor. Yes, this time is the Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 edition processor, and also it have the audio high res and also the audio high res for the wireless. TWS, and I mean, yes. So this is the about the box, and also it have a very classical black simple box, and also we can got the Xiaomi and the Leica brand logos in front of the books, and it's a very simple and very classical box. And also, yeah, it's very high-end, I think. Yes, next time I'm going to unbox it and let's check what's inside this box. And after we open it, we get another small package here. Okay, here is the SIM card ejector, SIM card pin, and also here we have okay, it's I think it's the information, the safety information about this device, about the Xiaomi 13 Pro. And also it provide okay, transparent plastic case. Actually, for the flagship model, I think they can provide more high-end cases, but just this use just the normal cheap plastic case, and transparent case is not so, actually it's not so high-end for case. Okay, let's put it aside first. And then okay, the phone is here. Whoa, it's in front of us, and then here is a smartphone. Whoa, Leica. So now before we check the smartphone, let's go to the other accessories first. Then here under the another package we can find that it's our charger. Okay, so this time it's our 120 watt charger designed by Xiaomi, and it's a type C to USB cable charger. And also here it's the normal cable charger and normal cable, type C to USB cable. Here, type C to USB cable. Yeah, so this is the this is the cable and the charger. And this time I think for the batteries, for the charging is very nice, because it's have a 4820 mAh big batteries with 120 watt cable charger, and also it support 50 watt wireless charger and 10 watt reverse wireless charger. And then after we talk about the accessories, now let's go to the smartphone itself. Let's remove the take it from the screen plastic protector, and also let me remove the labels on the back of this device. Whoa, so now finally the Xiaomi 13 Pro is in front of us. Whoa, it's so shiny. The back panel is, they use the ceramics, and I think this is very unique design. But as you can see, the shining panel is easy to left your fingerprint on it, and also for the shining back panels, it's very easy to get broken compared to the leather one, the leather edition. And also this time for the camera zone, we always have a new camera zone design squirt, one squirt camera zone. And also here you have the Leica brand name, and also the triple rear camera system with LED flashlight. And whoa, the technology looks so good, because here the transition is so natural. And okay, I see with my hand, I can feel the curve design is so economic. Yes, economic. I feel so comfortable. And also not only the curved back panel, but also the screen, the 3D panel, 3D curved screen. So it's very comfortable when I hold it in my hand. And from the official website window, that is time the dimension of this device is length 162.9 mm, and width is only 74.6 mm. Or also the depth of the smartphone is only 8.38 mm. And also it's only weight 229 grams. Yeah, so this is pretty cool for the weight and the size. You will not feel so tired when holding it on your hand for a long time. And also you can easily control the smartphone with one hand. Yeah, with one hand. So this is pretty cool. Yeah, so after very easy and very simple, yes, and very quick talk on this design part, we can talk about the screen. And the next, let's light up screen, wake up screen, and as we can see, whoa, yeah, it's have amazing display performance, because it's have a very nice screen. As we can see, it's have a very small punch hole, and it's a 3D curved screen. It's have a 6.73 inch and 3200 and 1440 display resolution. Is an E6 material OLED screen, and also it support 120 Hz refresh rate at maximum, and also it support LTPO. But compared to, yes, the big difference compared to the normal LTPO, this time the Xiaomi used the VRR technology. And when we go to settings, we can find, okay, sorry, here. Normally we can just choose the refresh rate customized. We can choose 60 or 120 or 90 or some other refresh rate. But this time we can use the default recommended mode. It can adjust the refresh rate dynamically based on the skin rate to balance performance with the power consumption. And also it can work perfect with the screens. It can be more energy saving. So this is pretty cool. It can detect the environment and adjustment it by itself. So this is pretty cool. For this Xiaomi, they use the VRR technology. So this is the one of the big difference compared to the normal mode and also normal devices. And also this time they have a brightness, brightness 1020 200, and also it support MP puzzle with modulation 1920 Hz. And also this time it support the on-screen fingerprint. So this is also cool for such a high-end and good quality display screens. Also, besides the screens, this time they also have a very powerful camera system. It's have a triple camera system and punch hole front camera. And for the main one, is our 50 megapixel Sony IMX989 big sensors, and also it support Hyper OIS super anti-shake system. And also it have a 50 megapixel macro lens, and also it have a 50 megapixel long focal length. So this makes this specifications make it this camera will be super powerful. And also the front camera is support the 32 megapixel front camera, and also it support it's worked with Leica. So this is pretty cool for such a camera solutions used in these phones. Here use Leica web rate. When we can use the Leica web rate. and more. This is for the 50 megapixel mode, night mode, pro lens. We can choose pro. Yes, here we can choose. Also, there's Leica mode here. Yes, we can take some samples here to test the photos. Normal mode, super wide angle, and can go to. Okay, so it supports 70 times zoom performance, and take a picture. Okay, yeah, so this will be pretty good. And 50 megapixel Ultra HD is on, as we can see. Okay, Ultra HD support 3.2 times zoom. Okay, so here are some samples, and also we can have a front camera test. Texture. Okay, let's go. Yes, I will put the picture samples at the end of the video, and also now about the night. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this is the camera, and also we can also talk about the processor part. And this time they use the Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor, and also it supports LPDDR5X. And also we can check the smartphone information on the 13 part. Here we can find the details information about the device. Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 and octa-core Maxim 3.19 GHz. It's based on Android settings. And also the RAM and ROM support LPDDR5X and UFS 2.0, and also the reading speed reached to 3.5 gigabytes per second. So this is pretty cool. And also the last we can talk about the batteries, because this time they have 4820 mAh batteries, and also it have a 120 watt cable charger and 50 watt pro wireless charger and 10 watt reverse wireless charger. And also it supports Cyber Engine X-axis motor and the doubly all sound dual quality stereo qualities, and also it supports IP68. And as we can see, also it have a Xiaomi in-frame remote controller, and also NFC as well. Type-C, dual speaker. Yeah, dual speaker. Yeah, so this is the main introduction about this device from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi 13 Pro, the flagship model of this year from Xiaomi. So do you like this such of kind of design or the specification about this device? And let me know. Make a comment and let me know your thoughts. And also, I think I forgot to mention about the batteries. It can get fully charged on 20 minutes, so this is pretty cool and fast. And also about the FPS is, the Genshin Impact. The fully FPS is 60 FPS, but this phone is have a 60.6 FPS, so it can fully run this game. It's no problem. It's much bigger, much over the FPS is big than the game, the Genshin Impact. They can easily meet the full needs of the Genshin Impact. Okay, so this is all the information I want to convey in this video, and thanks for watching. Let's stand waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Thanks, bye bye.